You're listening to Cei Newydd Radio. Welcome to our special radio programme about keeping safe online. The internet can be a great place, but it's important to be aware of the dangers too.
The web is now an important part of almost everyone's lives. We can shop online, play games with friends who are far away, send messages, and share information.
It is important to protect your personal information. Never share your full name, address, phone number, or any other personal details with strangers online.
Think before you post or share anything on the web. Once something is posted online, it can be very difficult to take it back.
Today we're going to discuss a very important topic, which is online bullying.
Bullying in person or online is never okay.
So let's learn how to deal with online bullying and stay safe when using the web.
What is online bullying or cyberbullying?
Online bullying or cyberbullying is when someone uses digital technology such as smartphones, computers or social media platforms to intentionally hurt, threaten or embarrass someone else.
This can happen through nasty messages, telling stories that aren't true, sharing pictures that will cause embarrassment, or leaving people out when online.
That sounds very damaging and unfair, but what can we do if we encounter online bullying?
There are several things you can do. Firstly, never respond to bullies or retaliate.
They want to get a response from you, so it's best to ignore the hurtful comments.
Secondly, it is important that you keep evidence of the bullying through screenshots or messages. You may need evidence to show an adult.
Who can help us when online bullying happens?
Talk to a responsible adult, such as your parents or your teacher.
They can give you guidance and support. Don't wait. Tell someone straight away.
Remember, you don't have to face bullying alone. Is there anything else we can do to stop online bullying?
We can start by always being kind and respectful to everyone online.
Remember, the web is a community and we should be kind and respectful towards everyone online.
We should always protect our personal information and be careful about what we share online.
Keeping our personal information private is very important. What else can we do?
We can report any bullying behaviour to the social media platforms.
Most platforms have a way of reporting bullying online, and they take the report seriously.
You must stand up for your rights and the rights of others to use the web safely.
Reporting bullying is essential to creating a safer and more inclusive online environment.
People who bully online are often unhappy and are looking for attention, so don't let them make you sad.
Remember, by following these tips we share today, we can do our best to stop online bullying and create a safer internet for everyone.
Remember to be respectful and kind to everyone online.
Stay safe online. Take care.